It may be one of the largest and fastest growing e commerce retailers in the US. Online sales grew from 500 millions to 5 billions between 2009 to 2016, but delivering an unbeatable in store experience remains the top priority of Home Depot. Ranking number 9 on YouGov's most recent survey of America best perceived brand, the home improvement suppliers retailers have two distinguished customer base that it need to impress to keep it well built reputations intact and sale high. Construction professionals and everyday die consumers may based that is needed to impress to keep it well built reputations intact and high sale. Construction professionals and everyday die consumers at Home Depot's CMO Kevin Hoffmans puts it, our goal is to help both professional constructors and average consumers solve problems. Upping its in-store consumer service game is primary focus in achieving this goal, but it an increasingly connected world. Depot knows the importance of omni-channel that nearly all of its customers, be they professionals or otherwise, are engaging with the brand online and on mobiles. The aim then is to deliver what Home Depot's Vice President of Direct Fulfillment and Delivery, Septanians and Stephen Smith, calls an in-connected retail experience. Omni challenge is really how a retailer looks at the supply and supplier chains, but interconnected considered how we want to consumer to see our environment and experience the Smiths. Home Depot seeks to integrate the store experience and the online experience from a customer perspective. To do so, the retailers must understand that the key difference between its two main type of customers, professional contractors, such may have 3% of Home Depot. These customers yet generate from 40% of its revenue. The key of servicing this cohort, says Hoffman's, is through building professional relationship and engaging them through the most appropriate channel. The constructor are highly mobile users. They are hardly ever in front of a tablet or PC, and they are more interested in product features, specifications, prices, and if we have contracted like qualities available. Hoff says we have a much more intimated relationship with them. They do not need a store map. You know very well the market challenge. There are no essential it in it. It's how we are helping them make money on their jobs and B2B versus to B2C. Such Home Depot offers cheaper bulk orders offer to constructor and keep them in the know of product availability and quantity via mobile notifications. But for the everyday consumer, the relationship is different, and so the communication of these different ways, while contracting get the most of the contents that focus on product piece. Consumer needed messages including how to's and home improvement tips, and the consumer store visits are different too. Typically visiting a store between 4 or 6 times a year, each run, and indeed each consumers and customers distinct something they have been picked for the variety. Trying to pick up those signals is a big challenge, and it's different messages too. to make sure that Home Depot delivers this message and their customers relationship as well. For the retailers alternatives, they show shadows as well.